Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to download InZOI on Chromebook. Here is a step-by-step guide for you. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use to download the InZOI game on your Chromebook. First one is the method number one, using Shadow PC, the cloud gaming. Shadow PC is a cloud gaming service that provides access to a full Windows 10 PC, allowing you to install and play InZOI on your Chromebook via a web browser. Now here is the step. Sign up for Shadow PC. Visit shadow.tech and choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. Then access Shadow PC, open your Chromebook's browser and navigate to pc.shadow.com. pc.shadow.tech, they have the tech domain. So log in with your Shadow account credentials. Now install Steam on Shadow PC. Within the Shadow PC interface, download and install the Shadow client or the Steam client from store.steampowered.com. Then purchase and install InZOI. Open Steam and search for InZOI, purchase it and proceed with the installation. Play InZOI. Once installed, launch InZOI from your Steam library and enjoy the game on your Chromebook via Shadow PC. Now here is the pro. No need to modify your Chromebook's operating system. Access to a full Windows environment, high-performance gaming experience depending on your internet connections. Here is the cons. Requires a stable and fast internet connection. Subscription cost for Shadow PC. The method number two is installing Windows on Chromebook via dual boot. This method involves installing Windows on your Chromebook, allowing you to run Windows applications natively. Note this process is complex and carries risks such as voiding your warranty or breaking your device. Proceed with cautions. Now here is the steps. First, check compatibility. Ensure your Chromebook's hardware supports Windows installations. Then backup data. Backup all important data, as this process may erase your existing files. Enable developer mode. Follow instructions specific to your Chromebook model to enable developer mode. Install Windows. Use tools like CHRX to install Windows alongside Chrome OS. Install drivers. After Windows installation, install necessary drivers for your Chromebook's hardware. Install Steam and InZOI. Download and install Steam, then purchase and install InZOI as you would on a regular Windows PC. Here is the pros. Run Windows applications natively, and here is the cons. Complex and risky process. May void a warranty, potential hardware compatibility issues. Now here is the important considerations. System requirements. InZOI is a graphical intensive game. Ensure that the method you choose meets the game's system requirements for optimal performance. Internet connection. For cloud gaming via Shadow PC, a stable and fast internet connection is crucial to minimize latency and ensure a smooth gaming experience. The storage spaces, so ensure you have sufficient storage space, especially it opting for the dual boot method. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.